Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today's Thursday, January 13th, 2022. It is 1:45 and 54 seconds, p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, neural circuits. So let's hop to it here. Biologists identified neural circuits associated with aging. Date January 12, 2022. Source, University of Iowa. Biologists have identified neural circuits associated with aging in fruit flies. Some circuits remain the same no matter the fly's age, while others weaken over the fly's lifespan. Biological studies show no matter their age, maintain neural circuits for certain motor functions while losing their edge in other performance measures. The biologists looked at how well individual neurons and neural circuits function at flies' age and when they are subjected to stressors such as changes in temperature and erosion of protective antioxidants in their bodies. They identified biomarkers of aging in the electrical performance of specific motor circuits, separating circuits that weaken as flies age to those that remain the same no matter the fly's age. One of the aging resilient circuits the biologists found was in the fly's ability to escape danger, such as the fly swatter. On the other hand, flies' muscle activity during flight and the neural circuits recruited during seizures weakened as they got older. The research study identification of aging landmarks and motor circuit function will help future studies in uncovering genetic pathways or environmental factors contributing to healthy aging in the brain, as well as age-related neurodegeneration. And this concludes distinct aging vulnerable and resilient trajectories of specific motor circuit functions in oxidation and temperature stress, Drosophila. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.